Introducing ID48, the ultimate ID interface. Featuring 8 Audient Console Mic Preamps, all with new Switchable Analogue Insert technology and enough I/O for recording a full band. ID48 seamlessly combines astonishing audio performance with ease of use. Add to that professional must-have features like advanced 32-bit converter technology and customizable monitor control. ID48 is designed to be the central hub of your studio. Let's take a look at its features in more detail. Every ID interface features the Audient Console Mic Preamp, the same fully analog preamp design found in our renowned console, the ASP8024 Heritage Edition. The Audient Console Mic Preamp delivers ultra-low noise and low distortion audio, with a touch of classic analog warmth to add a bit of character to your recordings. All 8 of ID48's console preamps allow you to connect microphones using XLR cables or line-level equipment using TRS jacks. The input gain of up to 68 dB is easily adjustable using the dedicated gain knobs, and for condenser microphones, ID48 delivers true per-channel 48-volt phantom power, ensuring your mics get the power they need for optimal sonic performance. Each of these preamps is also equipped with additional input controls, 3 of which are represented by the LEDs on the front panel below every channel. These include a -10 dB pad control, a 100Hz high-pass filter, and the ADC switch. More on this later. Additionally, other controls are available in the software, such as a 10 dB gain boost for extra quiet sources, as well as a polarity invert button for phase correction, giving you the flexibility you need in demanding recording sessions. One of the key features of the ID48 is the 8 switchable balanced inserts for connecting outboard equipment such as compressors and EQs, letting you easily integrate analog hardware into your workflow. And for the first time ever, our new switchable insert technology allows you to select what source is feeding the ADC path, letting you choose whether to send the Audient Mic Preamp or a DAW output to your outboard on a per-channel basis, and all without having to plug or unplug cables, meaning you can both mix and track with outboard without having to reconnect and repatch every time. Just select your options in the ID Mixer software. Plus, for users wanting to record external analog mic preamps, ID48's returns let you bypass the Audient Mic Preamp, giving you a super clean and direct conversion path for recording. ID48 not only excels as a powerful USB-C audio interface, but also provides everything you need to get studio-ready monitoring control. Connect, listen, and reference your mixes through dedicated main and alt speaker outputs. These can be fed from the ID software mixer and switched via the ID48's front panel, or the alt speaker outputs can be configured to use a Q-Mix. You can also use the extra line outputs to send audio to an external headphone amp for distribution to your artists. Next, configurable function buttons let you assign any of ID48's powerful monitoring capabilities, such as speaker select, dim, or mono sum, to the 2 dedicated hardware function buttons, enabling you to configure ID48's hardware monitoring control to your taste. 2 engineer-grade, fully independent stereo headphone amps provide 124 dB of dynamic range and enough power to support headphones up to 600 ohms, letting you and your artist hear better when recording and making sure you can confidently mix using headphones. Plus, ID48's innovative TalkBack technology lets you use a USB microphone or your computer's built-in mic as a dedicated TalkBack mic, freeing up valuable mic preamps for recording. The audio quality continues in the digital conversion. Utilizing 32-bit DAC converter technology to minimize quality loss and maximize performance during conversion, ID48 makes sure your audio sounds cleaner, clearer, and more precise than ever. And with 126.5 dB of dynamic range, you will hear subtle details better and identify problematic issues faster, making sure getting release-ready results is easy. ID48's optical input and output connections allow you to increase your channel count at your own convenience. Supporting both ADAT and SPDIF, ID48 lets you boost your I/O by adding up to 16 channels of external mic preamps and 16 extra outputs to your setup, giving you access to enough I/O to take on demanding multi-mic sessions, as well as future-proofing your studio for years to come. Word clock input and output are also provided for synchronization across all your digital audio devices, enabling stable clocking across complex studio setups. As well as the mic preamps, ID48 has two JFET instrument inputs, which come in on channel 1 and 2. Our discrete DI circuit has been designed to replicate the input stage of a classic valve amplifier design, ensuring you get an accurate yet warm signal when recording. Whether you're quickly laying down an idea or running a full guitar tracking session with an amp sim, ID48's harmonically rich instrument input is the perfect sonic foundation for your guitar or bass. The ID software mixer tightly integrates hardware and software, letting you effortlessly set up low latency direct monitoring, create up to 4 stereo artist cue mixes, name and customize channels, save layout presets, and quickly set up advanced routing, all from one easy-to-use app. At just over 44 centimeters wide, an all-metal construction, and with detachable rack ears, which come included in the box, ID48 is designed to survive everyday use, whether in the studio or up against the wear and tear of travel. This means that ID48 can be racked or stacked depending on the application. Finally, as with any Audient product, when you choose ID48 and go on to register it via our website, you gain access to a free suite of creative software including Cubase LE, alongside industry-leading plugins and virtual instruments, so you can start recording as soon as you open the box. ID48 delivers professional audio performance in a compact and modern desktop package, with Audient Console Mic Preamps, switchable balanced inserts, optical expandability, and powerful monitor control. ID48 is our flagship audio interface solution designed to deliver professional results. For more information on ID48, please make sure to watch some of our other videos or visit the ID48 page on our website. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. If you have any questions about ID48, then please leave a comment or get in touch with our support team. And don't forget to subscribe for more Audient news and video content.